Hello, welcome to DIY Solar and Wind. Here I made a solar furnace, and I took a few stealth pipes and painted everything black. Everything on the inside is completely insulated. I don't think you can see it. But over here on the side, I don't know if you can see that, but it does get up to 120 sometimes. As you can tell, a couple trees need to be taken down. So if I'm getting 110, 120 on any individual day, it does work. I'm going to mount it to the garage here pretty soon, before the end of the summer. It will be bringing prominent heat to the garage. These trees will be gone in a month or two. And a little bit of firewood and some solar heat. The garage will be just heating up spectacularly for wintertime.